Fear, anxiety, and negativity seem to be the norm in our world today, with problems like diseases, wars, and violence all around us. It's enough to make anyone tremble. But here is the thing, you are not alone, and you have a powerful protector on your side, the universe itself. That's right, the universe is the most powerful force there ever was, and it's there to help you. All you need to do is unleash its power and understand that it's working in your favor. However, it's important to remember that you also have a role to play in this. You need to stop manipulating yourself with negative self-talk and instead focus on positive affirmations. Imagine having a sharp sword in your hand. It can be used to fight your enemies, but if you are not careful, you can also hurt yourself with it. The same goes for the power of the universe. Use it wisely and don't do anything stupid. So, start your day with positive affirmations like I am happy, I am alive, I am brave, and I am powerful. Repeat them to yourself whenever you feel fear or anxiety creeping up on you. And whenever you catch yourself using negative self-talk, stop and remind yourself that you are manipulating yourself. Remember, you have the greatest power there ever was inside of yourself, a sleeping lion waiting to be awakened. So, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and say to yourself, I am strong, I am brave, I am not afraid anymore. With the power of the universe and the strength of your own positive affirmations, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness.